What's going on YouTube? Thank you for clicking on another video. Today we are going to WTF Motorsports to take care of some maintenance items. So let me show you that. Let me start the car up, get it warmed up, and then we're off to WTF Motorsports. Alright, so this is what we are loading up into the car. The strut pinch bolts to fix the squeak on my front suspension, and then an oil change kit from Liquid Moly 5W40. So let's load this up and I'll catch up with you guys back in the car. If you're new here, my name is Viet, otherwise known as F80 Ho. I invite you to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future content, and also follow me on Instagram. Alright, we're on the way to WTF Motorsports, and look what we run into coming out of my neighborhood. Some kitted out Mustang. What the hell? Looks like Bumblebee from from Transformers. We're actually meeting M235 Danny and my boy Caleb, who has a freaking fully built M4 running 10s in the quarter mile. So we're meeting them at WTF as well, because after this maintenance, we're going to go to Fields Winter Park, which is the local BMW dealership. And we're gonna go look for a G80 and see if we can find one. Here's a look at downtown Orlando. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can find a G80 and hopefully get some content for you guys. Do a review maybe. So we'll see. Alright, so we're pulling up to WTF Motorsports right now. And they got a couple Beamers outside. If you're in the Orlando area, definitely hit up Curtis and Raymond. They'll definitely take care of you. Like I just mentioned, M235 Danny and his brother pulling up. Clean. Yeah. Alright, so we're at WTF right now. My car's pulled in. Raymond's already working on getting the oil changed. I'm gonna show you guys around the shop and see what cars we have. Kenny and his brother just pulled up, so I just gave the camera to him and he captured some footage of the squeaking of my front suspension, so hopefully you guys can hear it.
Feel the vibes, got that A73 out, Vlogception.
Vlogception. Got Danny and his bro.
What's up, what's up?
Pro photographer. Got 320 in for maintenance. A couple of Curtis's race cars. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Yo, is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra? That's your car, bro. Sheesh, they build race cars here. So yeah, I gave the camera to Danny. Sorry about the wind. I gave the camera to Danny, and hopefully you guys could hear the squeaking of the strut pinch bolts. Here's Danny's car looking all clean. I'm gonna get a wind muff for my camera soon, so sorry for the wind noise, but I just wanted to show you guys the cars here at WTF Motorsports. Clean. Clean. I take this M3 right here, this E46, so far. I got this Porsche on BBS's. Sheesh. Some 2002s. Got an M6. Clean E46 M3. I want one of these in my garage one day, 100%. Tell the boys what we're doing today.
Oil change right here.
Facts.
You know, you gotta get that clean.
Facts.
And then we're doing the strut pinch bolt.
And then what else? Where are we going after, Danny?
Fields, BMW. Gonna check out the G8Xs.
Let's go.
Make something happen.
Let's go. His new car, bro.
Yeah, right. Supra. Yeah.
Like that's the only way I'm gonna be able to justify it.
Yeah.
So I'd want a fire orange. And now, 70 grand right now. I'm like, that's not happening.
The expensive taste.
Hey,
Want to be rare.
probably the last good M motor that we're making.
Got Raymond changing out the strut pinch bolt now. That's what they look like. Hopefully the squeak goes away. If not, we're fucked. I think Danny just went out to greet Caleb. Should be here. One of the fastest M4s in Orlando.
Like I'm ready to like four.
My man.
Yo, bro, how you been?
How you been, man? Good to meet you finally.
I know, right? I like we always talk online.
I know.
Face to the name. Pre-corona.
I'm telling the viewers, fastest M4 in Orlando.
I'm like, dude, crying. I still gotta finish the fucking inner chiller and shit.
Jeez.
Yeah, I gotta back here. I still need to finish like wiring it up.
Water cooled?
Huh?
Water?
Yeah, air to water cooled. So I got the
God.
meth pump, and then this is a 2.6 gallon icebox tank.
With ice, yeah.
Holy shit, I gotta take a
I'm running like
show with my voice.
I'm running 12 AN lines. I was running 10 AN. The 10 AN like
It's a race
I'm
car
running dual
driver.
pumps, bro.
This guy's a pro, bro.
Dual electric water pumps for the intercooler. I'm actually gonna take them out and replace it with
Look
the
at
EMP
this
pump.
setup.
Okay.
Like they do on the. Yeah. Only thing I didn't do myself is the crank up.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, that's just a pain in the ass. I don't have a lift. So,
You went to PSI for that?
Yeah, I went to PSI.
Yeah.
So I got the inner chiller in here, so you can see like the.
Oh, yeah.
This
Right
is
there.
for like the accumulator, and then the inner
True.
chiller actually sliced into. I cut into the bumper beam and put it right behind.
No
Oh,
way.
shit, I think I hit something yesterday on the road.
Did you?
Yeah. So I run from the tank to the inner chiller. Inner chiller, I run it up through here,
Sheesh.
and it goes into the intercooler, and then regular return, and then this is the return line back to the tank. I gotta finish welding up some. So I gotta cut these lines and tap into it. So my AC can cool my inner chiller. It's like you don't want to take AC lines
Yeah.
because of the chemicals
Yeah.
inside the AC, and then it like corrupts the welds. So yeah, I'm just gonna braze it. It's on E85.
What are you running?
10.6 at 130.
10.6.
With a 1.6 260 foot.
It's gonna be sub 9 this year.
Yeah, I'm gonna be 9s this year.
Oh, all day, all
Dude,
day.
I got
All day.
Morgan's GC pluses at the house.
Heck
like,
yeah. Yeah, he was talking about single. I was like, I don't think they make a single yet.
No, not yet. I'm like, single has good like top end.
Man has Vargas
but I
turbos
wanna
at
buy a
home.
Power because I road race it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So instead, I am actually
Oui.
opening bungs. I'm
Oui.
opening bungs. I'm
Oui.
opening bungs. I'm
Oui.
opening bungs. I'm
Oui.
opening bungs. I'm opening
Oui.
bungs. I'm
Oui.
opening bungs.
Oui.
I'm opening bungs. I'm
Oui.
opening bungs. It's like
Man's on the 513s to get on the tire. So this is Caleb's M4. I'll put his Instagram on the screen right now. Sorry for the wind. He also just got a new PSM style diffuser from Horizon Motorsports. Shout out to Alex. Damn, his build is clean. I mean, he's got everything done to a port, meth. He has upgraded turbos in his garage. Definitely give him a follow. He's running 10.6s right now at the track, and he's definitely going to be running in the 9s this year after he puts in his new turbos with a new tune and has his meth and port all set up. So sick.
Dude, it's like an $800 kit. I'm about the Hellcat pump for like $160, so
Wow.
$200. I'm gonna have it set up.
So Raymond just replaced the hinge bolts on both sides, and hopefully the squeak goes away. Thank you. My guy. Alright, so the oil change is all done and the strut pinch bolts are all changed out. So hopefully, moment of truth, that my front suspension squeak is gone. So we'll see when we pull out. But thank you, shout out to Raymond at WTF Motorsports for always taking care of me. Caleb, Danny, and I are now going to go to Fields Winter Park and check out this G80 that they have in the showroom.
No way. Just because the one of the fuel pump bolts broke off in the head.
Alright, so the oil change is all done. We're just letting the computer reset on the iDrive system, make sure all the oil level readings are good, and then we're gonna head out soon with these mofocos to Fields Winter Park and check out the G80. But what Raymond is doing for me now is putting the oil back in the canisters so I can send them back to FCP Euro and get a refund. So that's why I like FCP a lot, so shout out to them. We got Danny in the cockpit.
Doing the test.
I mean, I don't hear the creak, I just hear the rubber on the floor, that's it.
What about my...
Thank you, sir. Alright, so freaking amazing news. I just reversed the car out and the creaking from the front suspension is gone. Shout out to Raymond at WTF. He's actually gonna start this Porsche for us. Shit is sick.
Yeah. Gosh, this is like...
That little 300 horsepower
This is the dream.
Did you look inside of it?
Oh yeah, dude. This thing was so much fun.
Got the whole camera crew. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for the oil change and strut pinch bolts. We are on the way to Fields Winter Park right now to check out a G80. So hopefully they have one. And look at this janky ass BMW parking.
Can't figure out how to get there without taking I-4.
Dude, I have no idea. I'll follow you. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for today's vlog and the oil change and the strut pinch bolts. Shout out to Raymond and Curtis at WTF Motorsports for taking care of me. Me and the boys are actually on the way to the BMW dealership now to check out a G80, but I'm gonna make that a separate video. So I wanna thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future content. So stay tuned for the next video. Peace.